So everything is completed inside the engine bay, and now we're just working on the ball joints, the calipers, working on the ball joints, the rotors, and the brake pads. So everything is hanged up. So now I finally got it out. Now I'm going to try to take this out on the car so I don't have to take off the control arm. If not, I'm just going to take it off and do everything outside. But right now, hopefully the tool could just work and I can get it out without any problems. So the driver's side ball joint is finished. Now we're just going to do lower ball joint on this. So this requires, we're doing the ball joint, changing the pads, and also changing the rotor. So this requires me to take the whole knuckle off and bring it to the back, knock it out, put a new one in, and then reassemble. So I'm kind of in a rush, so I'm going to do this in a quick time lapse. Put these on and we're done.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's